I learned a little bit more about St. Lucia and how our actions affect our environment.
I felt that it was very informative, and I also realized that everything that we do as citizens is a complete turnaround. If we pollute, our sea life also gets damaged, which causes a result on farmers and ourselves as well.
It informed me about everything that we're doing as a country and as a Caribbean region, how it's affecting our ecosystem again, and how we can make it a better place, a safer place for all of us.
It informed me of a lot of things that is happening in the country that I didn't know about. And they're trying to get rid of foam, cups and plastic cups.
So we are phasing out styrofoam come December 1st, 2018. From that day, there will no longer be allowed importation of any kind of styrofoam container. It's going to be a trial period, that's why it's a phase out and not a complete ban. You can use whatever styrofoam you have in your stores in storage until the 30th of November 2019. We know there's lots of alternatives made from many different biodegradable products, corn, sugar cane, and paper foldable containers. So we do know that it is a change, but we hope that together we can find better alternatives for our environment and also for our health. And we are currently in the process of meeting with lots of the suppliers to let them know where they can source these materials from, whether it be local, regional, or even international.